fridge has been absolutely humming ever since I spilt some milk and did the bare minimum to clean it up, so let's give it a proper clean out. Don't worry, I'm not crying over spilt milk, I'm just crying over the fact that it absolutely stinks. How jokes am I washing up gloves? I got them in a PR package, but they actually sent me 2 left hands, so I forced the other one on backwards. I am committed to these fluffy beauties. She's giving domestic Barbie. Anyway, we have been here before, so don't worry about pointing out that my kitchen sink is a little bit small, because in the time I've been living here, I did actually notice. And on my last fridge clean out, a few people did suggest doing it in the bath, which I think is such a good idea, but I don't have a bath. So we go forward with the sink. Pretty proud of myself for managing to clean that bottom drawer in the sink, even though the laws of physics were telling me that it should not have fit. And we are moving on to the inside of the fridge. I was going to be lazy and not take those side bits out, but then I thought, no, we are balls deep now, and the sound of the fridge beeping is eternally etched on my brain, so we might as well do a proper job of this. And I have officially uncovered the source of the stink. I'm guessing the milk dripped down and just dried up there. I'm suffering from a serious case of clothic, so need to get a fresh one, and then I'm just gonna whiz over the rest. Ooh, and give the seals a little once over with this knife cloth hack. When in Rome, you know. Okay, the fridge is looking every bit as stunning as the day I bought it, so we would be doing it a disservice if we didn't treat it to some food. Honestly, no idea how I managed to film the potatoes in slow motion, but I feel like it's adding a nice dramatic effect. Anything to spice up a trip to Aldi at this point. Anyway, I really am going to need them to build an M&S next door. Half Aldi, half M&S would be an elite shop, and I've heard some people do have them next to each other. Oh, the middle jumble section is actually doing what needs to be done at the minute. That's a whole LED light mask. And just like that, my fridge is clean and about as full as it gets for me. Thanks for watching till the end. Goodbye.
I thought you'd never see this from me, but my fridge is a complete disaster. Such a crazy busy week that it got super bad. I need to throw away old food, clean it, then organize it. Brace yourselves.
I've been dreading this, but it has to be done. Let's clean out my fridge. Freezer is complete. Now it's time for the fridge. Fridge is complete. It's definitely not the most organized, but at least it's better.
You guys, it's time. We're cleaning out my fridge together, and I'm so excited, so you guys are gonna help me. Let me show you the bins that I got. Okay, these are all from the Home Edit from the Container Store, and I'm so excited to use these. I feel like our fridge is quote unquote organized, but there's not a lot of rhyme or reason to where anything is. So we're gonna fix that today. So let's go.
wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.